Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Joyful Habits. I don't know about you guys, but where I am, it is full-blown winter. It is cold, it is snowy, it is icy, it is cold. So it's been pretty hard to think about anything but wanting spring, but I've been trying really hard to just embrace the season. Thinking about some winter-themed projects I could work on, I thought, wouldn't it be fun to try making a winter-themed candy? So today I am going to try and make some snow crystal, whatever you want to call it, candy. And I've never done this before, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so according to my instructions, we are going to combine water, sugar, bring it to a rapid boil, stir occasionally, turn the heat off, add a little bit more sugar, and then let it sit for 10 minutes. So while that is sitting aside, we're going to grab 3 glasses, I grabbed 3 chopsticks, and the instructions call for cotton cord. Okay, so after sitting for 10 minutes, you'll see that is turned into a thick syrup sugar water. And I'm just going to pour that into the glasses. And I decided to add some food coloring. I'm going to make 1 blue, 1 green, and I left the third one clear. I was a little worried that the cord touching the bottom of the glass might be a problem, but the instructions that I'm following show a picture of it, and it shows the cord touching the bottom of the glass. So I assume it's okay, but we shall see. So after letting these sit for 2 to 3 days, you'll see that they've started to crystallize, to harden. They look very much like ice. According to the instructions, this is all going according to plan. This is what you want. So I was feeling pretty good. I was like, wow, this is really easy and working out just great. And that is when it all started to go downhill very, very quickly. As you can see from the white knuckles, I am really, really pulling on this thing, and it is stuck. Really, really stuck. And this is when I started to realize this is going to be a pain. And as you can see, the cord curling to the bottom and touching the bottom of the sides of the glass is indeed a problem, because it just, I mean, plenty of sugar crystals formed, but I can't get any of them. I decided to put it in some hot water, see if that would help loosen it up. And then I went to try the blue one. And again, I'm just really tugging on it, and yeah, saw that coming. You know that's gonna happen, but you just keep doing it, and then it happens and you're annoyed that you did it, but you're like, but I knew that was gonna happen, and I kept doing it. Yeah, so that's a mess. It was very sticky. Washed my hands, got a rag, cleaned it up, and I put some paper towel down because I realized this is no longer a cute, casual little craft project. This is turning into a project. So, yeah, I did actually get a crystal, though, as you can see, on the cord, and lots of crystals in the glass, which, once again, I couldn't really do anything with because they were just stuck, and when you tried to get them apart, they broke up into tiny little particles. Green one still being the green one, so we left the green one aside to soak some more, and I went for the white one. Yeah, at this point, I was just feeling really calm and really enjoying the process. And all that work, and this is what I got. I did get a crystal, but it's just this little thing. So far, it's a whole lot of work. And this was my reward, this messy plate. Now, I gave it a day to dry, and this is what I got from it. So, not bad, but considering the amount of work I put in, not really what I was looking for. So, I thought, okay, I still have a lot of liquid in the clear glass, and I got a new glass, I poured it in there, and this time I got string instead of cord. And I measured it and remeasured it, because I did not want it touching the bottom or the sides of the glass. And it's a thinner string, and you know, I'm like, okay, this should work, except you can't really reuse the sugar liquid apparently because it turns into this very thick, milky stuff. Okay, third time's the charm. So this time I hit it with a new game plan. I am not using string, I'm not using cord, I'm going to use just chopsticks. I figure that using something with less fibrous material should hopefully make it easier to detach the crystals when and if they form. I took 3 chopsticks, dipped them in water, rolled them in sugar, and then on the stove here you see I do the same thing. Water, sugar, bring it to a boil, stir occasionally. Nothing's been easy up until now, so I don't know why it would start being easy now, but I could not find clothespins, which, wouldn't you know it, I found some today. But anyway, I could not find some at the time of this project, and so I had no easy way to hold these darn chopsticks. So I decided to channel my inner engineer and grab some medical tape, suspend the chopsticks in the glass, again making sure they do not touch the bottom because we have learned this is a mistake. So now we are pouring the sugar liquid into our glasses, and I am really terrible at evenly distributing this liquid because it's a bit of a Goldilocks situation here where one has too much, one is too little, and one is just right. So now we have them all set. I put them by the windowsill, let them sit for, I would say, a good 4 to 5 days. I really wanted to give this one a chance. Quite a few people saw them while they were sitting there and they thought it was frozen water, which it definitely looks like that. But the idea that my house is cold enough that if you leave your glass of water out by the window, it will freeze solid is funny. Okay, it was finally time. Take them apart, see what we got. First one, major disappointment. There is literally nothing. So then I undid the second one, and slightly less, but still pretty much a major disappointment. There is basically nothing. Third one, there was actually a crystal just chilling on the tape, so who knows, maybe that's like a new method that I will try in the future. And then, yeah, okay, chopstick broke. So now I have a broken off piece of chopstick stuck in the glass and no crystals. So I took a fork and I just started digging around and finding whatever I could for crystal chunks, and I did find quite a few. Put them on a plate again and let them sit for a day or two, and I actually got flippin' snow crystals. And this is what I got. So yeah, I don't honestly know if I'd recommend this. It was fun. It's really pretty and tastes like sugar, but the amount of work that I put into this and what I got was just not even. So I don't know. I may try this again, but I think I'll definitely do a little more research and see if I can find a better method. If you guys have tried this before and succeeded, please let me know. I would love to hear what you did differently. If you have tried this and failed, let me know so I don't feel alone. You know, looking at this footage, I'm getting major like snowy, wintry tea party vibes. So maybe in the future I would host a winter tea party and maybe find it in myself to try making these again and have these out on the table. I just think that'd be really aesthetically pleasing and kind of cool. If you guys are interested in that, let me know that too. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it educational, entertaining, you know, whatever. Maybe inspired you to try a project of your own. This has been Joyful Habits, where we daydream and add a touch of whimsy to the ordinary. I will see you very soon in my next video, and until then, keep smiling.